teams are ready. You can see every game has been close, every game has been tight. That last game, though, we didn't do a good job. Certain things we didn't do, and today it's a little bit of a struggle. Could have gone either way. So, we just have to move forward to the next game.
Now, Alain, one win away from Meralco getting its first ever championship for the franchise. If you could just describe how you're feeling right now, and at the same time, pumasok na kayo sa dugout kanina, ano yung atmosphere na pag-squad?
Nothing. What's to be happy about? Wala pa naman. So, we don't think sa future, stay in the moment, prepare for Sunday's game. So, yun lang. And today, nakaka-challenge. Kasi, pag maganda laro mo, maganda yung mga write-ups. Pero pag may nag-struggle ka, may mababasa ka write-ups. So, talagang challenge ko yung sarili ko today to be aggressive, to be a leader, to be a veteran. Nag-usap kami ni Raymond, ni Bong, nakita namin yung article, sabi namin, step up tayo. Kasi minsan, katulad nga sabi niyo sa interview minsan, struggle ka, maganda yung nilalaro ng team. So kahit nag-struggle ako, I'm giving way sa teammates ko. Maganda nilalaro ni Bong Quinto, maganda nilalaro ni Cliff Hatch nung game. Nung isang game naman, Sinyo, maganda nilalaro. So give way lang, give and take. So ayan, nakuha namin, and nag-step up kami nila Raymond and nila Bong. So,
going back to you, Coach, having said what Alain said, yung accountability then and the willingness of players like him and other vets to step up, to have a bounce back game, the total effort and what it's been taking for these players, nakikita mo sa akin, just comment on that.
Yeah, you can't get too down on yourself, you can't get too up on yourself, right? You have to just approach every game. But I think those things motivate them. These guys, they see probably the things that they need to improve on. In all honesty, San Miguel really played well the last game, so we needed to adjust some things. And they played brave today. I've been with Lane the longest time, and Raymond also in the amateurs. Bong, we've been together 5 years, so you have faith in these guys. They're a resilient bunch, and glad they came up today. But just have to focus on the next game.
Now, very questions from the media.
What's your meeting for the levels you have to get it for the first time in first getting up to be basic mindset for everything, that's how we discuss about the beginning para nasa yung starting
San Miguel is a deep team. So last game, di namin nakita, Vic and Terrence came out and gave quality minutes. They were able to score. They're known as scorers, so alam namin yun. And it's hard. The game before that, Tengo also scored, right? So they brought a lot of energy in that game. They had 2 days rest. We know tomorrow they have 1 day rest and we come back Sunday, right? So, these games are so close, and both teams are being coached well. The players are stepping up. It's nice to watch. It's nice to be a part of them. That they're both. One team gets a 7-point lead, the other team comes back and gets the lead. You really relish these moments. I'm sure I'm saying this, I'm sure San Miguel is saying this, but we're just also glad to be, to be in this situation against a quality team, right? But it's one game, we know that. Need to focus on that next one, and we have a quick turnaround.
Third quarter, then San Miguel.
Para sa akin, composure lang na kahit na yun talaga makakabalik sila malakas yung team ng San Miguel, hindi naman namin yung being disregarded or something. Kailangan lang din namin makasagot sa depensa. Yun talaga yung focus namin. And yun nga, kailangan lahat kami very on our toes on defense. And sa offense, tulong-tulong naman kami kung sino na-open and sino maganda na laro. Yun lang.
Late, 88% field goal shooting on the day. What was something different today? Kasi nga you said that some bad games on this game, pero today you're not feeling you. What was the difference in today's game?
I'm asking plays para sa sarili ko. I'm more assertive in terms of offense. And I'm calling, sabi ko, new, call this play. CB set me up, parang mga ganun. So, just to always be involved in a two-man game or three-man game or weak side, just continue to find my touches and aggressive lang. Kailangan ko talaga mag-step up eh. Kasi nag-step up na sila na si New, si Bong, si Raymond, si Cliff. So, it's my turn na mag-step up na din.
Now, coach, you are in the familiar territory na fully in the finals games. Hindi ko lang pinanay. Kayo ay one win away from closing the finals games.
Yeah, well, most of these guys are vets. Siguro si Brandon lang ang, new sa finals. Lane's won championships, I think, with Magnolia. Part of that core. Raymond's been a part of that. New Cliff, a couple of those guys we've been already to a couple of finals appearances against Ginebra, so we're ready, and I think people don't realize how long it took to mold it. Ang hirap talaga, right? And it's our first all-Filipino chance, diba? So you look at it at these situations, kailangan talaga you relish it and you zone in, right? But again, we know San Miguel is capable. I look at the box scores. Junmar had 38 points. He had 18 rebounds. He had 14 out of 17. He came to play. So we have to take care of him. CJ, 17 also. You look at their assists. They had 17 assists and they only shot 22% from the three-point line. That means that's not a good stat for me personally, right? They shot 1 out of 5 threes, but they still somehow shot 17. They still had 17 assists. So those are things we have to look at. They like to slow the game down. They like to use the two bigs. They have Trollano as the 4. Vic is their instant offense with Terence. There are a lot of things that we have to think about, but clearly it's defined on what they want to do. Clearly it's defined what we want to do, right? That it's beauty. They have their offense, we have our defense. So we'll come in, a shout out to Brandon. He was not 100% today. He had the flu. He played through it. We're not going to talk about guys, but we're not 100% with some of the other guys in the room. We're going to have to recover. One day, quick turnaround. Make sure our BP staff's ready. Get taking care of them, and then just lock in tomorrow. Just a walk through and come out and play.
Coach, you mentioned yung disappointment sa inyo in the series, in the top 10 series. Will that be something that additional na bring motivation, fuel na you don't want to happen it again in this field of work?
Yeah, I think it's a blessing every time you're in a situation you play like Ginebra, and you're, I don't think coaches at the start of the season put us in the top 4 every year. Every conference, right? Think about it. If you ask all the PBA coaches or any of the favorites out there, we're never in the top 4. The last 8 conferences, we made 6, diba? It takes a lot of trials sa finals. Parang masakit yun, but we relish it. It's a learning thing for us. You grow from that. You can take it and but our guys have been so relentless in that. Alam namin yung pagkukulang. Like, we come into a finals, and next year they add Stan Hardinger. The next year they add a Pringle. It's tough seeing all those things, and then now we have to go through this. But the one thing we're proud about is everybody stepping at Anjo. Brandon was sick today. We had some limping. Jensen's coming off a hamstring. Elaine didn't play well, what did he do? He came out and he contributed with a lot of confidence. So it's a lot of guys in the team. It's just, you know, you can't just say it's one guy. But tama ka doon. Yung masakit na yun is, those things kind of make you have a chip on your shoulder, right? And then if you look at it, other teams would be, we've had 4 finals, we've had 15 semifinals in the last 10 years. Other teams, they wait 5 years for 1 semis. That would be good. But right now, that finals sa akin is nothing. Nobody remembers second place. We've got to win one to gain the respect. So that's on our mind, that's on our focus for Sunday.
Alright, that wraps up our post-game press conference. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations.
Thank you guys. Salamat.
That's good.